Alright, we worked A, we worked B, we worked C, now we're to D. D says find a trapezoidal sum of the integral of f. What it means is we really don't need to know about G and f prime and all this up here. I mean, this one's kind of a standalone question in regards to the graph alone. So all I need to know is f. And it says a trapezoidal sum of 6 subintervals with a width of 3. Don't forget delta t means the width. So if we look, it's jumping by 3. So the idea is I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't forget area above the x-axis is positive, area below is negative. You can't actually do a trapezoidal sum as far as the integral of a function. It's actually much easier because we have a graph. So we're going to cheat this and we're actually just going to draw the idea of the trapezoids. Okay, trapezoid really just says we want to use the heights. Okay, shoot a line across them. I know these don't look like trapezoids, these are right here triangles, but you'll see the trapezoid pops up right there. Okay, it's still a trapezoidal sum style. Okay. Alright, now we're going to use a little bit of logic and not show all the work for this. This area is negative, this area is positive, and they're both equivalent, so these are going to cancel out. Same with this one, positive area, negative area equivalent, those cancel out. So we really just have these two areas here, which again are also equivalent. Okay, trapezoidal approximation is when you do 1/2 the base, height 1 plus height 2, or 1/2 delta x, y1, y2, same thing. I'm going to write it as delta t here, because that's what they're using. And we do y1 plus y2. I like to always go back to the geometry style because I think it makes more sense for students. Now here's what I'm going to cheat. Technically I would do 1/2 of this one and 1/2 of this one, but since they're symmetric, 2 halves make a whole. So what I'm really looking at is 3. The height on this side is 1. The height on this side is 3. Okay, so 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 times 4 is 12, and there's your answer. Again, what I skipped over is really this is a 1/2 for this piece, and then another 1/2 of this piece. Okay. Alright, I also skipped over these because they cancel out. Again, you don't have to show every piece of work. Just get enough to get an answer. It doesn't have you justify this one. It just really wants you to find the trapezoidal sum.